Hello guys, for today's video, I will cook a chicken curry. Here are my ingredients. Chicken legs, tomatoes, Madras curry powder, salt to taste, cooking oil, potato, ginger, onion, and carrots. Now I'll saute the onion. Ginger. While waiting my spices to cook, I am multitasking. I'm mixing my ingredients for my naan bread. Now I will add 2 teaspoons of curry madras. Mix it well. I add baking powder for my naan bread dough. I will blend my tomatoes. I prefer to use fresh tomatoes than the preserved one because it's more healthy and it's less acidic. Now I add the cooked onion because I don't like this. My curry sauce has a bits, so I prefer to blend it. I browned my chicken before I mix all the ingredients. I add all the ingredients, then boil it until cooked. I add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste to give color of my sauce, because my tomatoes was not very ripe. While waiting my curry to cook, I am making my naan bread. Naan bread is really nice to dip with the curry sauce. My husband gave me a hand because he enjoyed cooking the naan bread. My kitchen porter is on duty. Oh, How's your bread, darling?
It's coming along fine. Slightly burnt, but that's how I like it. I'm only doing 3, yeah?
Yeah. Minimize your cooking. How's my curry?
My curry's coming along very nicely. It just needs thickening up, yeah? Chicken and vegetable.
Yeah.
But I've had a busy day doing naan breads, making curry and making bread.
Oh, your bread is done as well. His bread is ready. It's cooling down. Are you done, chef?
Clocking off.
Wow! My chicken curry is looking good. I'm very hungry now. Guys, we'll eat our dinner now, and I hope you enjoy my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.